bleeding awaken earth, leaving these demons up under dirt. Crazy comedic engravements, truth telling why you niggas still stuck under the pavements, still stuck on them slave ships. Better get to your Optimus Prime, wasting time, they stuck inside of your mind, that's a crime. But fuck that though, niggas ain't ready for the elevator, so radiant niggas tease no, that's no puff, that good nigga you know ain't dope. Chakras lined up so proper, spirit so master, the pasta, enlightened conscious, the Holy Father. So bow down when you see me, you ain't righteous cause you sitting around just puffing on your tree. You ain't never been alone inside the forest of the TV. I ate those shrooms, I'm talking about some lordship, fuck your TV. A roster, no dreadlocks, a godson, no Satan, a prophet. Learn lessons, you prosper, live fearless. Cause you never gon' die. Got these religious fucks worshiping God crucified. Can't even see the truth hidden right in front they eyes. So these niggas live their lives just waiting for their demise. May the truth be told, and not what these other rappers propose. They be froze when the action occurs, absent the blows. So when they say they sparking the cartridge, running apartments, I take these dudes as serious as I take Martin Lawrence. Ever harness deep and darkest, little bit of air I breathe, I conquer. No fear, nigga, that beat what I sponsor. Conscious fire, honest, prosper, bunch of liars on your roster. I am higher, I Selassie, prior to all the bias, admired by all your posse, idolize me. But kamikaze if you copy, worth the mom. I've been ripping bones since I was in the arm. Palm reader said our leaders in the mirror, no alarm, no alarm, no alarm. The most high, voila, nigga, I'm on my Jesus shit. Assalamu alaikum, my gods, I'm on my people shit. Bowing down to Satan, voila, now use a demon bitch. Send my blessings way up to Jah, now I live limitless. Birth from the sun, you are all gods too. But I'm on a higher level, I am you times two. Got the knowledge from the light, now my mind shines full. But you live under the sun, so the world shines too. Grind through, grow your wings and take flight, our time's due. All elevated, reclaiming conscious to highest minds grew. Never lose, forever winning, don't snooze, we up committed. You fools live under limits, the sky was far until I lit it. Cannabis cannon, tag your mans and not for amateurs. Mind blaze, took 5 days to reap the damages. Cold world, so get lost quick, don't vanish. Send your mans to do your dirt and enemies are called the ambulance.
So devilish.